Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the virtual cable driver installed so audio can be routed. Run the installer as administrator and accept any driver signing prompts. This ensures the kernel-level driver loads. Once done, reboot if the installer requests it, then open your system's sound control panel and verify the new virtual input and output devices are listed. Make sure to disable exclusive mode for the device so apps can share audio. You're now ready to map a source to the virtual cable. You now connect the source app to the receiver through the virtual cable. In the app sending audio, set its output device to the virtual cable output. This pushes audio into the virtual cable. Then, in the app that should receive or record sound, set its input to the virtual cable input. Once done, open any software mixer or monitoring tool to confirm levels and mute/unmute channels as needed. Make sure sample rates match across apps to avoid clicks and pitch shifts. You finish by validating the chain and reducing problems. Check sample rate and bit depth in all apps and the system control panel so they match. Mismatches cause dropouts or resampling. Once done, measure latency and change the audio buffer size if you hear lag. Smaller buffers lower latency but increase CPU use. Finally, route monitoring to your real speakers or headphones for verification. If audio is missing or distorted, reinstall the virtual cable driver and ensure no app is holding exclusive access to the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.